What's something people don't know about Mars? Olympus Mons is so huge, it would cover Arizona. Jaw-drop inhale. And yes, it's still a jaw-dropper. Imagine a mountain 3 times taller than Everest. That's Olympus Mons. Its base stretches about 600 kilometers across. Slopes so gentle you could climb them without realizing. No plate tectonics, lower gravity, let it grow enormous over billions of years. If Earth had one, it would reshape continents. Quick visual note, look for the PKS watermark and the subtitle reading Olympus Mons chunk instant wow. Mind blown? Follow for more cosmic shock and awe.